Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cakepie token. Now the Cakepie token is getting a brand new central exchange listing actually today. They just opened for trading. Brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 11th. Ticker symbol is CKP. We're going to go over the information on the Cakepie token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token. So there's two different ways to get this token that I know of so far. Number one, it just got listed today, January 11th at 9 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called XT.com. So if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is download XT from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol CKP, and then simply just buy the token. Now, it's also a Binance Smart Chain token that just became available recently on PancakeSwap. So you can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Cakepie token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage. Actually, you'd find it on their BSC scan, and you could find that on their Twitter. An easy way to find it is just in this new XT listing here. So if you go to the Twitter, that's right on the screen right here, at CakePie_IO. You can find all sorts of links right here. So you can find a link to PancakeSwap. You can find a link to this webpage here, pancake.magpiexyz.io/stake. So that's where you could stake tokens. They have a blog article there. Most likely it's in the blog article as well. I'll have to go through this. There's all sorts of different articles there. And then they have the XT.com listing. And their pinned tweet actually is talking about how they just became live on PancakeSwap. And there's a link right there to PancakeSwap. Let me see if that opens up the... so if I open that up, that will take me to where you can just get the token. And it just plunks in the contract address for you. It says, get CKP now, and then has a link to PancakeSwap. So click on that, and that will take you right over there. So two different ways to get this token right now. PancakeSwap and XT.com. They also have Cakepie pools on that Pancake link right there on their webpage. Right now they have 1,562 holders, so they're doing pretty well here. 18 decimal places and a max total supply of 10 million tokens. Now I just saw on pinksale.finance that this token actually has, there are people listing baby Cakepie already, so trying to play off the popularity of this token already and introducing a baby Cakepie token. Now they have Medium articles. One of them is about their IDO, so they had an initial DEX offering here. So it says, oh, gotta click that off there. All right, so this is the governance token of Cakepie, and so they had an IDO. It says the event took place on the MAGPIE launchpad via the BNB chain. So that was January 6th. So that's how brand new this token is. They just finished their initial DEX offering January 6th. and went for 3 days until January 9th. Then they got listed on PancakeSwap, and then right away, Central Exchange listing on XT.com. Now, CKP stands as the governance and revenue sharing token of Cakepie. CKP is designed to integrate both the capacity for decision making and the access to profit sharing from Cakepie, which together promote a cohesive and cooperative environment within the ecosystem. CKP can be locked in Cakepie as Vote Locked CKP. Holding the Vote Locked CKP allows users to not only earn passive income, but also participate in the governance of Cakepie and PancakeSwap. CKP further democratizes the decision-making process, distributing the voting power that Cakepie has accumulated from VE-Cake equitably among VLCKP holders. Holders of this VLCKP will gain not only voting rights, but also the ability to monetize this voting power through the Cakepie bribery market. And there's actually a new article on their Medium there. If you go over to blog.cakepiexyz.io, you're going to find all sorts of articles, and one of them is about the bribery market if you want to learn specifically about that. So the IDO was inclusive and widely accessible, and so they had whitelisted users. They had launch details on here, and then it says public sale. After the first 24 hours, the public sale will begin. It'll last for 2 days, and once the IDO reaches a 2.6 million hard cap during the whitelist sale, there won't be any public sale. So they go over the whole thing. Now they have the distribution for the token. It says, our governance token IDO is a great opportunity to join the Cakepie ecosystem. And Cakepie is a state-of-the-art sub-decentralized autonomous organization created by MAGPIE to bolster the long-term sustainability of PancakeSwap. So MAGPIE, is basically, I don't know if they're, official partners or what, but they're assisting PancakeSwap basically. I mean, you could say basically any BNB token is assisting PancakeSwap that has a pool in there. But as a yield and VE tokenomics service provider, Cakepie's core mechanism involves locking cake tokens as VE cake. This process allows Cakepie to secure enhanced yields and amplified governance power within PancakeSwap, serving up prime opportunities for DeFi users. Now they have all sorts of they have a whole document section here. So their official webpage is the one right there, which is pancake.magpiexyz.io. But if you want to check out the whole document section here, docs.cakepiexyz.io goes over the whole Cakepie ecosystem, talks about PancakeSwap, revenue sharing, the tokens. So they have the CKP token, but then they also have the mCAKE token. They go over governance, how to get involved with voting and stuff like that, how to use Cakepie. That's the best place if you want to learn super detailed information. docs.cakepie.xyz. And you can get this token now on XT.com, so go check that out as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.